This TECBEARS PLA Plus filament bundle offers 4 1 kilogram spools in versatile black, white, pink, and olive green, giving hobbyists and professionals a practical color range for everyday projects and display pieces. The material is noticeably tougher than standard polylactic acid, so printed parts handle bumps and functional use better while still retaining the easy printing behavior that polylactic acid is known for. Filament is evenly wound and manufactured with tight dimensional control around 1.75 millimeters, which helps prevent tangles and contributes to smooth, consistent extrusion during long prints. When dialed in, this filament can keep up with modern high-speed printing profiles, making it a solid match for fast-fused deposition modeling printers that demand reliable flow and cooling behavior. Prints tend to show strong layer adhesion, low shrinkage, and minimal warping, so even larger pieces come off the bed with clean surfaces and accurate dimensions. The recommended nozzle and bed temperature ranges are broad enough that most printers can hit them easily, making this bundle straightforward to tune, whether you are upgrading from basic polylactic acid or refining an existing profile.